Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, changing the hotspot password allows you to control who can connect to your network. By updating the password, you can revoke access from previous users, limit connections to authorized individuals, and ensure that only those with the new password can connect to the hotspot. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings on your device. So within the settings menu, navigate to the connection section. And select the mobile hotspot and tethering option to configure your device hotspot settings. So choose the first option available, and then tap on the password option to modify the hotspot password according to your preferences and security requirements. Okay, and create a strong and secure password to protect your hotspot network from unauthorized access. After setting the new password, click on the Save button to apply the changes and ensure that your hotspot is secured with the updated password. That's the tutorial on how to change hotspot password on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.